Yo, NBA fans! At nagkaharap na nga ang new form nitong Golden State Warriors kasama si Jimmy Butler kontra sa new form na Los Angeles Lakers kasama naman si Luka Doncic. Brandon Podziemski, pinaulan na ng bala mula sa tres ang Lakers. LeBron James lumaypay, naiyak sa pagkatalo. Alamin natin yan lahat dito, kaya wag na natin patagalin pa. Tara na, let's go! Malupit na naging matchup dito nitong si Austin Reeves at Brandon Podziemski. Mainit pareho ang next big superstar ng Lakers at Warriors. First quarter ay nagkakapalitan nga lang sila ng tres.
At 44 and 31, Podziemski again!
Unexpected matchup din tong si Rui Hachimura at pati Jonathan Kuminga. Nakisali kay Reeves at Podziemski.
Offensive rebound and free for him. Kuminga, stutter stepping in traffic. Kuminga and the ball over Doncic.
Dito makukuha ni Reeves ang kanyang third 3-pointer of the game. Kaso lang babagsak si Lebron. Tumama kay Kuminga. Kung naaalala nyo, ay nagkaroon ng groin injury itong si Lebron. Mukhang natamaan ata nang bumangga siya kay Kuminga. Hindi nga makagalaw si Lebron at namimilipit sa sakit. Pero buti maya-maya ay nakatayo na siya at nakapagpatuloy pa ng laro. Kinabahan ng mga Lakers fans niyan for sure. Natapos ang first quarter na may 4-point lead ng Warriors. At pagpasok ng second quarter, magpapatuloy ang run ng Warriors sa pangunguna ni Podziemski.
Podziemski again, single digits on the shot. Butler making a move, got by Doncic, who's reaching in. 21 and 17, the road record of Golden State at 5.
Pero dito ay sasagot na si LeBron James at ang Los Angeles Lakers.
They got a 4-on-3, Darian Finney-Smith.
Isa namang nakakabilib na circus shot ng bibitaw ni Curry. At may kasama pang foul.
How about that, a circus move? Right.
How about the concentration? There it is right there, the contact. And let me just throw the backhanded English. Look at the English off the glass. See how the ball just turns?
I mean, that is art.
Yes.
That is art.
Dito makikita ni Luka na open si Hachimura. Latest punch ng defender kaya easy trick kay Rui. Bawi naman si Jonathan Kuminga with a mid-range jumper. At susundan ng isang magandang assist kay Podziemski. Lalaki nga ang lamang ng Golden State dito sa pangunguna ng New Splash Brothers, Curry and Podziemski.
Podziemski on the cut, and they cut as well as any team in the league. Podziemski got a hand on it. There's a steal. Green got it. Podziemski will fire the foot. Here comes Curry, 3 of 7. Moody is screening from way outside. He got it.
Final seconds ng second quarter, makaka-easy basket si Luka. Pero tingnan nyo yung gagawin dito ni Podziemski.
2 seconds. Podziemski. Why not? Off the glass and down the hatch.
Sabi sa inyo, new splash brother. Parang si Curry din tumitira ng half-court shot. Tapos ang first quarter na may 22 points itong si Podziemski. Meron naman 13-point lead ng Golden State sa score na 60-47. Mainit! Third quarter, time for the main event. Here comes the stars of the show. Ito na ang pinakahihintay nyo. LeBron and Curry. LeBron James and Steph Curry take over.
Curry will make a move and find Draymond down low.
Time leader in three-point shots made, and then Reds the other way came LeBron James.
Well, no question, the two heavyweights going head-to-head here as we go to break.
Mainit ang naging sagutan ng dalawang stars na to. Malupit na crossover moves mula kay Curry. Iwan si Luka. Nice bounce pass naman mula kay Luka for the dunk of LeBron James. Buong third quarter, halos si Steph at si LeBron ang umiscore para sa kanilang mga teams.
And the three for Golden State, 2.5 in the third. Driving Doncic, good feed. LeBron.
Asked you because you were in the building.
Look at Curry take it in for 2. The hard with a big game tonight and 1 tomorrow. Reeves 3.
At ilang seconds na lang bago matapos ang third quarter, mapafoul pa nitong si Reeves si Curry sa tres. Bibigyan patuloy ng 3 free throw si Curry. At syempre, huwag ka na magtaka. Steph Curry sa free throw line? Matik yan. At may papasok nga ni Curry ang 3 free throw na to. Fourth quarter ng mga Warriors ng 8. Titirahan pa ni Butler si LeBron sa muka. Tuwang-tuwa si Curry oh. Pero hindi magpapatalo ang Lakers at sinusubukan pa rin nilang humabol. Sumasagot sila sa bawat bitaw ng Warriors.
Long shot. Rebound, 7 assists. Reeves goes by Butler and puts up an open shot in the paint.
He does a great job on the other team's best wing player.
Reeves with a 3. 29-9 their home record. Butler with a spinner. Got it.
Team. And so I don't know if he's going to pull it out tonight. I've been listening on the huddles, but it might be.
Going inside is Butler and out to Green. 3. Count it.
Look, passed it out.
Kuminga to Looney. What a cut. What a feed. LeBron with the 3 over Butler. Got it. Down 2. Luka. Corner. Reeves. 3. Curry shed good one. Curry down the lane. Curry scoops it home. Here he goes up high. It's Kuminga. Inside they go. Pajemski. Inside. It's Kuminga with a sweet fadeaway, and he took his time. 30. Curry's got 30.
Parang lintatong Lakers. Ayaw kumawala sa Warriors. Hindi bumibitiw. Last 2 minutes at 7 pa nga rin ang lamang ng Warriors. Pero ito na ata ang pinakamatindi at pinakamainit na last 2 minutes ng fourth quarter. Panoorin nyo na lang at kayo na ang humusga.
Curry 3. What a big hit. 10-point Golden State lead. Wow. 2 to go. Here comes Reeves. He'll fake a 3. Hachimura gets off to LeBron. Green is right there. Here's a 3, LeBron.
Boy,
Dito nga nangaasar pa si Lebron. Dinilaan si Draymond Green. 1 minute and 41 seconds. Parehong 33 points itong si Steph at si Lebron. Pero grabe itong dalawang teams na to. Walang nagpapabaya.
Snakes feeds Green side. It's Pajemski. His 3. Good.
Pajemski now up to 28.
It's a Reeves 3.
Iba rin talaga kamay nitong si Reeves no? Pati na rin tong si Pajemski. Sobrang ganda ng matchup nila. Biruin mo simula first quarter na nagpapalitan lang sila ng 3.
It's Curry and he's double. Curry's in a straight jacket. Curry's on the floor. Foul call. New career high. And Butler gets it here.
Dito ay makakuha si Butler ng foul kay Reeves. At may papasok niya ang dalawang free throw. Last 1 minute, 119 to 110. Lamang ng siyamang Warriors. Pero dito, isang magandang ankle breaker kay Kerry. At step back 3 ni Reeves. Para pababain sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Warriors.
Shot. He's got 28.
What a second half for Austin Reeves. We better hurry up and get it over.
17.
Dito naiwan sa ilalim si Kuminga. Easy shot na dapat. Pero nawalan pa. Naku po! Here comes Luka Doncic. Aatakin si Butler. Makikita si Green sa ilalim. Pero grabing depensa dito ni Draymond Green. Nice block! Dito ipa-foul na lang ni Lebron si Kerry. Napagandang defensive effort ni Green. Dito nga hype na hype pa.
Blowing up the play.
Maski ako maka-clutch defense na ganyan, mapapasigaw ako eh. At syempre, matik yan, Steph Curry free throw. Makakuha ng 2. Pero iba ang puso ni Reeves. Talagang bumapalag pa. At nakakuha pa nga ng 3. Last 36 seconds, ay 5 na lang ang lamang ng Warriors. At dito makakastil pa si Lebron.
LeBron left in front of Butler. LeBron's got the steal. LeBron feeds to Reeves. On top, then he's got 3.
Nawala ang tira ni Finney-Smith. Pero makukuha ulit nila. Chance pa. Ay kaso itong si Luka. Second critical turnover na. May chance pa sanang pababain ng lamang eh. Parang pinandirian ng bola. At wala na silang choice kundi i-foul na lang si Kerry. Sayang ang effort nitong si Lebron at si Reeves. Ganda ng laban. Nakadikit na sana eh. Pero parang medyo wala sa laro itong si Luka Doncic. 2 major turnover sa last minute of the game. Napakaganda sana ng performance itong si LeBron James. Pero alat talaga itong si Luka. Bawi yan next time for sure. Pero sa ngayon ay kay Steph Curry at sa Golden State Warriors ang panalo. Natapos ang laro sa score na 123 to 116 in favor of Golden State. Kasalukuyan pa rin number 5 itong Golden State. Pero meron silang 4-game win streak. Kung playoffs na ngayon, ay Lakers ang makakatapat itong Golden State. Pero sobrang dikit kasi ng standing sa West. Mamaya nga ay may laro itong Golden State kontra sa number 3 na Denver Nuggets na pinapangunahan ng MVP na si Nikola Jokic. May ilang games pa bago matapos ang regular season. Pero tingin nyo, Lakers at Warriors na ba magkakatapat sa first round? O baka naman Nuggets at Warriors? Comment down below and mag-subscribe ka na rin sa ating channel para lagi kang updated sa mga latest NBA happenings. Yun lang for this game. Peace out and God bless.